At Peterman Brothers, we talk a lot about the importance of tune-ups. But there is also some maintenance you can do yourself that is just as important. To learn how to change your furnace filter with confidence, stay right here. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Not sure how to properly change your furnace filter? Didn't realize your furnace may have had a filter? No problem. For starters, what exactly is a furnace filter? Similar to a filter for a vacuum cleaner, your furnace filter is meant to prevent contaminants drawn into your return vents from being circulated back into your home by blocking them before they reach your supply vents. So, where do you find your filter? There are several ways a furnace can be set up in a home, but the filter is always located between your return ductwork and your furnace. Sometimes this will be in a small dedicated filter cabinet, and others it will be in a filter slot that can sometimes blend in with the ductwork. If you need help finding your filter, don't hesitate to call us, and we can schedule a tech to come out and show you. Now, how to change it. When changing your filter, the two most important factors are filter size and airflow direction. It's good to double check you have the correct size filter when it's time to replace it. Once you have the right size, make sure you know the direction of the airflow for your system setup and check the airflow indicator on your filter. For reference, air will always flow from your return towards your furnace. In other words, your filter arrow should point towards your furnace. Finally, a common question we encounter is how often should you change your furnace filter? This answer will vary based on the type of filter used and your lifestyle, but the best blanket recommendation is to change them once a month. The good news is you can't change a furnace filter too often. So when in doubt, change it out. A pro tip is to write the date on your filter as you replace it. That way, if you go to check and can't remember how long it's been, your filter can remember for you. That's the show. How often do you change your filter? Let us know in the comments and come back again for even more from the Homeowner's Handbook.